Hi, Tammy. I asked Alicia to join me in on the screencast really quickly just to demonstrate for you how when a student application shares with you, like that one student did during your observation, if you go ahead and click on where it says request cursor control, which I already did with Alicia, she clicked yes and okay on her end. And now you're going to have control of the student's online, or not online school, but the student's computer. So when you were trying to show the kids through the music studio course, by taking that student's cursor, you would have been able to do all the clicking and not have to like direct him on where to click and where to go, which, you know, as we know, that can be kind of a time waster because it's like, no, 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 too far, too far. Nope, back up, back up, back up. Nope, to the right. You know what I mean? So you would have been able to actually take his cursor and do the clicking yourself, and you would just have him keep his hands off his mouse because you're controlling it. So I wasn't sure if you knew this about Blackboard, but I use it all the time when I work with students in like the Read Live program and some of the other programs that we use. When they're not understanding what I mean, I'll say, okay, give me your cursor and I'll show you, that type of thing. I also use it a lot with my students when we're trying to problem solve tech-wise, when I don't understand what they're telling me. So I'll say, okay, give me the cursor, and then I'll go in and show them how to clear their cookies and cache and stuff like that. So anyways, hope this is helpful. Thanks.